In this lecture, we will see how many types of images are there. There are total 5 types of images. TIFF, sometimes it is also called as TIF. These types of files will have extension .tif. TIF stands for Tagged Image File Format. TIFF images create very large file sizes. TIFF images are uncompressed and thus contain a lot of detailed image data. It will have large number of image data. Due to this, the size of the file will increase. TIFFs are also extremely flexible in terms of color. They can be black and white, CMYK or RGB. CMYK, we have learned this topic in chapter number 1. These types of file formats are suitable for printing purposes. TIFF is the most common file type used in photo software such as Photoshop, as well as page layout software such as InDesign. Again, because a TIFF contains a lot of image data, it will have a large file size. Second type of image is JPEG. JPEG stands for Joint Photographic Expert Group, which created this standard for this type of image. JPEG files are images that have been compressed to store a lot of information in a small size file. JPEG file size will be very low as compared to TIFF. Most digital cameras store photos in JPEG format. Your mobile also store photo in JPEG format. Why? Because they can take more photos on one camera card than you can with other formats, right? Because the camera has less memory size. So what they do, they will store the images in the form of JPEG. JPEG files are usually used for photographs on the web. Internet also uses JPEG file format. Why? Again, because they create a small file size. So if the size of the file is small, then it will be easy to upload and download the images. JPEG files are bad for line drawings or logos or graphics, as the compression makes them look bitmappy. Third type of file is GIF file. GIF stands for Graphics Interchange Format. This format compresses images but as different from JPEG. It also takes less amount of size, but the compression technique is different in graphics interchange format. The compression is lossless. Lossless means the information which is present in the image will not be lost, will not be compromised. GIF also have an extremely limited color range suitable for internet but not for printing. This format is never used for photography because of the limited number of colors. GIF can also be used for animation purpose. Next file format is PNG. This file format ends with .png file. So in PNG what happens? PNG stands for Portable Network Graphics. It was created as an open format to replace GIF because the patent of GIF was owned by one company and nobody else wanted to pay license fees. It also allows for a full range of color and better comprehension. So basically PNG and GIF are same, but GIF is licensed whereas PNG is not licensed. It's used most exclusively for web images, never for print images. For photographs, PNG is not as good as JPEG because it creates larger files. But for images with some text or line art, it's better because the images look less bitmappy. Bitmappy means blurred. When you take a screenshot on your Mac PC, the resulting image is in a PNG format. Then last format is raw image file. Raw image file contains data from digital camera. The files are called raw because they haven't been processed and therefore can't be edited or printed yet. There are a lot of different raw formats. Each camera company often has its own proprietary format. So raw image file contains data from digital camera. The files are called raw because they haven't been processed and therefore can't be edited or printed. There are a lot of different raw formats. Each camera company often has its own proprietary format. Raw files usually contains a vast amount of data that is uncompressed. Because of this, the size of raw file is extremely large. Sometimes it is 1 GB. Usually they are converted to TIFF because before editing and color correcting. So this was about the types of file. Next point we will cover is basic operations on image. The free online image editor, there are many free online image editors. Those image editors allow you to edit images online. So what operations I can perform on image? I can resize the image, right? I can resize the image, or I can cut the image, or cut word is not used here. Here the word used is crop. To crop the image means to cut the image. Out of this whole image I can cut this much part. This particular thing is called as cropping an image. Merge, I can merge an image. I can merge an image over another image. Add text with your own font. Add borders, round corners and shadow to your photo. Put an image in a photo frame. Overlay images with predefined animations. Convert, sharpen, reduce size of an animated GIF. Use cutout tool to make a hard shape image. Create a glitter image of your own. So these are different types of operations that I can perform on image.